In this video, we're going to be breaking down the entire fee structure of the Coinbase exchange. So if you're a cryptocurrency trader out there and you've been trying to find out which exchange might be the best for you, and also which exchange is the cheapest to trade on, well, I think this video is going to be one that helps you out a lot. So without further ado, let's go ahead and actually break down how most fee structures work. Because when it comes to these centralized exchanges, instead of charging you maybe a gas fee like it does on a decentralized exchange, they typically charge you a flat rate that is based upon two things. Number one, how much money are you trading given a 30-day window? Number two, on top of that, are you doing a maker fee or a taker fee? Essentially, what kind of trades are you making? Are you doing limit orders or are you doing market orders? And those are going to be the two big factors that determine how much this exchange charges you. Now, when it comes to Coinbase, I want to switch us over to a screen share here so that we can actually examine this. But when it comes to Coinbase, they have a unique fee structure that is a little bit more on the pricey side. Now, they do charge a little bit more of a premium because they understand that they are one of the largest, if not the largest exchange out there. And because of this and their very easy interface, they like to charge a little bit of a premium here. So let's go ahead and take a look, and you can see on the screen here that for anybody that's trading between $0 and $10,000 over a given 30-day window, well, you're going to be charged around 0.4% for a maker fee or a limit order, and around 0.6% or 0.6% for a market order. Now, a limit order is saying, hey, I want to be filled at a specific price that is not the current price of an asset. Say the current price of Bitcoin is $100,000. If you want to go in and be filled immediately at the closest given price, then you will go and do a market order, and it's going to fill you instantaneously wherever the closest seller is because you're going to be buying their crypto. A maker fee is saying, hey, if the price is 100K and I want to buy at 99K, well then yeah, you have to wait until the price gets there, but because you're being patient, because you are waiting on the order books and providing liquidity, you are going to have a little bit of a lower fee because you are waiting for the price to come to your specific order. So the limit orders will be charged a lower fee than the market orders because you're going to likely have to wait a little bit. Now, the more money that you trade, you can see that the fees start dropping off. For people that are trading anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000 of volume over a given month window, well, these people are going to be upgraded to around a 0.4% taker fee and a 0.25% maker fee. If you're trading between 50 and 100K, you get a 0.25% taker fee and a 0.15% maker fee. And the easiest way to remember this is that the lower fee is almost always going to be associated with limit orders, and the higher fee is almost always going to be associated with the market orders. So if you want the lower fee, which is the maker fee, you need to make sure that you are doing the limit orders. And so on and so forth. You can see that as you start scaling up into the millions, you will get drastically lower fees. And then for the really big whales out there, they actually even allow you to trade with a 0% fee structure on limit orders if you are trading anywhere from $250 million or more over a given 30-day window. Now, the odds are, if any of you out there are watching this and you are trading that much capital, you probably have a specific portal with Coinbase. They have and a lot of brokerages have a specific portal for ultra high net worth individuals, people who are worth hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars, and are trading that much in crypto. Then you might not even be doing it through the traditional Coinbase exchange. But if you are, both Coinbase and Kraken and a lot of these other exchanges have this, near feeless structure to incentivize whales actually going through their exchanges. But if you are someone, probably anywhere from 0 to maybe 100K in crypto or even $1 million in crypto, then this is going to be the fee structure for you right in here. You could have fees anywhere from around 0.4% to 0.6%, and this will drop depending on how much money that you have. Another key note here is that if you trade through the Coinbase Advanced Exchange instead of through the Coinbase Simple Exchange, that will also reduce your fees. So instead of trading on Coinbase Simple, if you go over to Coinbase Advanced and place your limit orders, that is where you're going to be dodging the fees and seeing a pretty significant reduction. So quick little pointer and tips and tricks there to help you save a little bit more on fees. Instead of using these simple orders on just the simple exchange, if you actually go to the advanced exchange and place limit orders there, you're going to notice that your fees are being drastically reduced. But that really is all it is when it comes to this Coinbase fee structure. And I hope this video was able to help you out. If you are someone that has been out there looking at maybe where the best place to trade crypto is, we are going to make the fee structure videos on a lot of the other major exchanges so that everyone can kind of see them one at a time. And then we might even kind of pull them all into a single end-all video at the end of the series. But that's going to wrap us up on the Coinbase fee structure. We hope all of you did enjoy this video. And if you want more videos like this one and more tutorials, then make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We got a lot of great content coming your way. And until next time, we will see all of you in the next video.